Right, let's talk cruises. That magical time when you swap the daily grind for endless buffets and breathtaking ocean views. But before you grab your swimsuit and sandals, let's unpack some insider secrets. We're about to dive deep into 10 cruise hacks that can transform your 2024 vacation from memorable to absolutely epic. These aren't your average travel tips. We're talking next-level strategies to maximize your comfort, your budget, and your overall cruise experience. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a first-time cruiser, these hacks will arm you with the knowledge to navigate the high seas like a pro. We're talking about everything from maximizing space in those notoriously cozy cabins to scoring incredible deals on onboard luxuries. So buckle up, grab your notepad, and get ready to transform the way you cruise. Picture this. You're about to head out for a glamorous night on the ship, but your phone's dead, your camera's blinking red, and your travel steamer is, well, useless. Cruise ship cabins aren't exactly famous for their abundance of power outlets. That's where our first hack comes in. Pack a power strip. A simple power strip can transform you into an electrical hero, ensuring all your devices are juiced up and ready to capture every unforgettable moment. Ever notice how cruise ship cabins, despite their best efforts, can feel a bit compact? We've got you covered. Here's a trick most people wouldn't even think of: magnetic hooks. The walls in your cabin are often metallic, meaning you can turn them into prime storage real estate. Hang everything from hats and jackets to small bags, instantly creating more space and keeping your belongings organized. Remember that old saying? Turns out it applies to cruises too. Booking early isn't just about securing your spot, it's about unlocking a treasure chest of benefits. Think about it. The earlier you book, the wider the selection of cabins. That means you're more likely to snag that coveted balcony room with a killer view, often at a lower price than those last-minute bookings. Plus, many cruise lines offer early booking discounts and perks, so you're essentially getting rewarded for planning ahead. Let's be real, cruise ship bathrooms aren't exactly known for their spaciousness. But fear not, fellow travelers. There's a simple solution to keep your toiletries organized and within arm's reach: a hanging toiletry bag. This ingenious invention maximizes every precious inch of counter space, ensuring your essentials are always accessible. Plus, it keeps everything neatly contained and easily packable for those port day adventures. Here's a little secret the cruise lines don't always broadcast. Sometimes, upgrades are up for grabs. Now, we're not guaranteeing a penthouse suite, but it never hurts to ask. When you check in, politely inquire about the possibility of a free cabin upgrade. The worst they can say is no, but you might just find yourself sailing away in a room with a view you only dreamed of. Imagine this. You've boarded the ship, excitement is in the air, but your luggage? Nowhere to be seen. Don't panic. This is where your trusty carry-on becomes your best friend. Pack a small bag with essentials like your swimsuit, a change of clothes, medications, and any valuables. This way, even if your luggage takes a detour, you'll be prepared to dive into the fun without a hitch. I know, the mandatory safety drill might not sound like the most thrilling part of your cruise. But trust me, attending this drill is crucial. Not only is it about your safety, but it's also an opportunity to glean insider tips from the crew. Listen closely. They often share valuable information about the ship, its layout, and maybe even a few hidden gems that most passengers miss. While those endless buffets are tempting, one of the best parts of cruising is exploring new destinations. And what better way to immerse yourself in local culture than through its food? Don't be afraid to venture off the ship and sample the culinary delights at port stops. You'll discover authentic flavors, support local businesses, and create delicious memories that extend far beyond the ship's railing. Let's face it, a little pampering is practically mandatory on a cruise. But those spa treatments can sometimes put a dent in your budget. Pro tip: book your spa treatments on port days. Why? Because when the ship is docked, many passengers are off exploring, leading to lower demand and often discounted prices at the spa. In today's digital age, your smartphone can be your ultimate cruise companion. Most cruise lines have their own apps, and trust me, they're about to become your new best friend. These apps provide up-to-date information on daily activities, dining options, entertainment schedules, and even allow you to book shore excursions and spa treatments. Think of it as having a personal cruise director right in your pocket. And there you have it. 10 epic cruise hacks to transform your 2024 vacation from ordinary to extraordinary. Remember, a little planning and insider knowledge can go a long way when it comes to maximizing your enjoyment on the high seas. From conquering cabin clutter to uncovering hidden savings, these hacks empower you to embrace the cruise experience like a seasoned pro. So go forth, fellow travelers, and set sail on your dream vacation armed with the knowledge and confidence to make it truly unforgettable. And hey, if you discover any other amazing cruise hacks along the way, be sure to share them in the comments below. Happy cruising!